Hello guys, it's me Andre Laksmirani. Well, anybody got time for introductions? So let's jump right into the video. Happy watching! I'm gonna be using these two palettes from Focallure, Everchanging palette and Tropical Vacation. I'm zooming a little bit so you can see my eyes clearly. So I'm taking any kind of blending brushes that I have. First, I'm gonna take the first color from the Tropical Vacation palette. I'm gonna take the apricot color as my transition color. Don't forget to tap the excess. I'm blending higher than my actual crease because it will make an illusion that I have a higher crease than my actual crease. Next, I'm taking the shade Heat right here. This is the second transition color. If there is an area that is not well blended or too harsh, just take a clean blending brush and you can clean the area that you want to be clean. Like this. Now it looks more blended. From the Everchanging palette, I'm going to take the color Walnut, and I'm going to put it on my outer V. And then I'm taking the same color, Walnut again, and put it on here. For this part, I'm going to use a pointed blending brush. You can use any kind of your pointed blending brush. I'm taking the Walnut shade and put it here. You can see the difference now. This is my right eye and this is my left eye. And then using my finger, I'm going to take the sunset shade, the sunset shade from the Everchanging palette. It's a champagne color, I guess, with a little of shimmer. And I'm going to put this on my lid. Wow. This color is quite pigmented, so I don't need a concealer to cut the crease. Guys, look at that. Oh my god. Wow. And then I put this higher than my actual crease to make my eyes bigger, and that's a hack for hooded eye too. So people will think that I have big lid. I'm taking Coffee, this color, from Tropical Vacation palette, using a small pointed brush, and I put the color here. I don't know what's the name of this area. Why I do this is to make my eyes look bigger. Still working with Coffee, I'm taking a small angled brush and I'm going to make a small wing liner using the eyeshadow. And I'll do the same to my left eye. For lashes, I'm going to use this 3D and also this for my lower lashes. Guys, this is actually so hard and so weird, so I'm just gonna skip the lower lashes and use a mascara instead. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to follow my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.